thought I would try an Advantage Plus audience for a lead generation campaign. So here's what I did. I created a campaign with a leads objective, and then let me show you what the options are, because it's not as scary possibly as or unsettling as you thought it might be just to give all control over to Facebook. So I'm going to scroll all the way down here. And you may see in your account where it says Advantage Plus audience. And what it's going to do is, as it says here, our ad technology will automatically find your audience. So I can include custom audiences. I'm not doing that here. I can choose the age and the genders. However, notice that it still allows me to add in some detailed targeting. So it says here, if you share an audience suggestion, we'll prioritize audiences matching this profile before searching more widely. So this tells me that it'll take into account the suggestions I give here, almost like clues that I'm giving to Facebook, and then it'll keep finding other audiences. It seems to me that it's pretty similar to what it was before, where it would just let us have all this detailed targeting, and then there was a little button there that said expand if it finds people outside of it. So it seems like it's very similar to that, but we're going to try it out. I left it as placements for Advantage Plus as well. I usually do that unless I am specifically testing placements. But hope this helps, and I'll keep you posted on the results.